We moving to?
We are moving to Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel. For those who already know me, thank you so much for showing all your love and support to me till now, and hopefully you guys will be doing that in future as well, inshallah. And for those who are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. So guys, this video is very special because it's not an ordinary video, it's a moving out video. Yes, we are moving out of country, so it's like we both are embarking on a new journey of our life, so this is very close to our heart. And yeah, where exactly we are moving to, that I'll be revealing in the end. So to know that, you guys have to be with us throughout the video. And it's not an easy task. It's moving in itself is very hectic, and it makes me feel very stressed, but especially you can imagine how it is. But there's a but. Then my husband, I'm really grateful to have him, alhamdulillah. I hope he's not listening to me. He has done almost like 95% of the packing. Yes, not that I'm lazy, it's just that the way he does things, it's incredible. He's really good at it. I think he should be joining Packers and Movers organization, I guess. But yeah, so without further ado, let's get started, and I'll show you what I'm packing, how we are packing, and all the behind the scenes things. So I'll see you.
What do you got?
I'm wrapping my pretty bowl. You see? So they are safe and they don't break. Hey, where is my tape? Wow. And I packed the first bag. Not exactly first, probably second or third. That is my makeup brush holder. Wow, fits perfectly. So on to next duty. Hello. एक तो ठंड इतनी है.
I'm leading you.
Okay, I'll bring it for you. I just gave you one tape, no?
Finish. Khalas.
Halas? I just handed over to you right now. I say, Baba, my husband is so forgetful. Hey, tape is getting over. Do we have enough tape? Fuck. Blanket. Chalo, I'll order. And it's such a boring job to do, trust me. I don't like, I hate it.
If you don't do it, then it's not done, right?
Yeah, right. From where to begin? I have to wrap these because I love these bowls. I love these bowls. And then my husband is like, if you want to carry these, you better wrap it up properly or else I'm gonna leave them behind. I was like, okay, so this is my duty for now.
We are Indians, we are cheap.
Why? What cheap? Why you want to leave your stuff behind, guys? Would you ever leave your stuff behind? Like, I've hardly used them. Like, really? Yeah, because I've hardly used them.
Did you? I forgot to ask you, have you kept the toilet brush?
Toilet brush?
Yeah.
He's making fun of me. Why are you making fun of me?
Leaving anything behind.
My husband just called me useless.
वो मैंने निकाला, वो वहाँ रख दिए.
But why? I'll
वो
do
वहीं
it.
पड़ा है.
I'll do it. Guys, it's such a task.
You could have stayed back at your first place. You could have come just to airport directly.
What's it doing? How are we doing, baby?
I'm doing so well, guys.
See.
Okay, so we're gonna decide what everybody did.
What?
Me, I'll go first.
Okay,
I
fine.
cleaned up that room.
Okay, fine.
Uncluttered that room.
Hmm.
Packed everything. On the other hand, cargo
Mm-hmm.
thing. This has all the linen. So linen is done from my side, right? That's what I did. How about you?
I already, listen, I'm an honest person. I already told them that 95% of the packing has been done by my Pyara Pati. MashaAllah.
That doesn't solve the problem. Plan, we should be done by Sunday. So now I have 3 extra days to chill. Don't know about you, right? My cargo is done.
Listen,
My
I'm too
chicken
fast.
is done.
You wait. Once I start packing, like, whoa, baby, you're unbelievable. How do you do that? Just wait and watch out.
No, there's nothing left.
No, I have my earrings, my makeup, my
How are you going to live there without earrings and makeup?
no, my bangles are there. My skincare, baby, skincare product. Do you know?
With you, sleeping is more important than skincare. Don't you think so? Surviving, being alive.
You know what I've been dealing with? Now you guys know. Now you know. So whoever says, oh, your husband is such a wallah, no, he is.
Nobody says.
But he talks like
No.
he talks
Who
like
said this?
he's a little annoying to ears, yeah, because he speaks truth. Okay, chalo, baby. So, oh god, guys, he's been constantly yapping. What? I'm busy. So I packed my makeup stuff finally, and I'm on to my next thing. So I got tired, so I'm like, let him do whatever he wants to do, and time for me to take some break. So as you guys can see, he and I are having constant disagreements on what to take, what to leave behind, because he's also right. Because the country we are moving to, houses especially built very small, compact houses are there, which I'll be revealing in a while, and which country exactly I'm referring to. And I don't want to leave my things behind. I'm like, no, this is new, this have hardly used, no, this is brand new, no, this one I love. So there's a lot of juggling is going on. So it's a struggle, and he's also right, I'm also right, we both are right. So we both have to come at the mutual decision and agree or not, agree to not disagree. Yeah, so it's a hectic task, guys, and oh my god, I tell you, this is not easy. Moving out is not easy at all. So but kya kare, karna to padega. And my entire house is upside down, literally. There are things scattered everywhere, and especially Aman and I, we just love things in an organized manner. We like things in a certain pattern. Yeah, we both are quite similar when it comes to organizing stuff. हमें बिल्कुल भी बिखरी चीज़ें बिल्कुल भी पसंद नहीं है, वो हमको बहुत ज़्यादा खलती है. और अभी हमारा पूरा घर ऊपर नीचे हो रखा है, तो लाइक वो अंदर से ना इतना there's a retaliation, like, but it's okay. So we are like, चलो कुछ नहीं होता, just few more days, breathe in, breathe out. So yeah, हर जगह आप देख सकते हो, you can see this have been cleared now, but उससे पहले तो things were everywhere. So थोड़ा, and plus we are already thinking कि अभी तो यहाँ पे ठीक है, but जब हम मूव हो जाएंगे तो वहाँ पे जा करके जब हमें सेटल करनी पड़ेगी चीज़ें, या अल्लाह, तब लगेगा. We have to be like, okay, chalo, because first we have to find the place, we have to finalize it, and उसमें भी देखना है कि because there are certain things which we cannot compromise on, and तो उसके अकॉर्डिंग देखना मुश्किल होगा. इतने सामान कहाँ रखना, especially clothes, your shoes, your makeup stuff, your everything in general. So it's going to be challenging. It's okay, करेंगे, देखते हैं. Another thing we were discussing about these pictures. We have a lot of our pictures everywhere, as you guys can see. So we have taken few of them, but we are like, ये कहाँ लेके जाएं या we were just contemplating, should we leave them behind or should we take them? So I don't know क्या करें. But I love these pictures, they are so pretty. These pictures are basically from our honeymoon trip. Yeah, so yeah, like now let me tell you, this is the one where he proposed to me. Yeah, and this is all from our Kashmir trip because we really wanted to go to Kashmir because we both have traveled the world. We were like एक जगह जो रहती है वो हम कश्मीर है जो हम इंडिया में नहीं गए तो let's go to Kashmir. And yeah, ये आगरा का है because I really wanted to see Taj Mahal. So it's like okay, let me take you there. तो yeah, तो यही सब टेंशन है, आपको कुछ कुछ चीज़ें ये हमारे आई थिंक फर्स्ट मंथ एनिवर्सरी जब थी शादी की है, देन माय हस्बैंड ही सरप्राइज मी विद दिस. इट हैज अ लाइट आल्सो. आई डोंट नो, लेट मी शो इट टू यू हाउ इट गेट्स टर्न ऑन. आई थिंक wait, I'll show you. She gifted me on her first anniversary. Oh, look at it. Yeah, first month anniversary. So guys, don't judge him. My husband is such a generous person. He's like, what the hell? You're tarnishing my image. Yeah, could you just hold it, baby? Yeah, so that's how it is. So we are thinking, should we take this or no? Yeah, we should, right?
Battery है इसमें.
अरे यार, तो ट्रॉली में रखें. But I have other stuff. I have my like epilator, I have my straightener, I have my other stuff.
Don't create problem for me.
No!
Going in the vlog.
He's so
Let me be uncensored.
He is brutal guy.
Yeah.
He's very hard.
Anything with battery is not going in cargo because they're gonna stop it.
Listen, you're not pilot
It's
here.
air
At
cargo.
home, you're my husband.
Air cargo. See, when your cargo came from Doha, it came by sea.
Okay.
This is air cargo. They're very particular about batteries. They're gonna open our stuff, tear it apart.
But I can take my epilator. मैं हमेशा लेके जाती हूँ epilator.
Epilator has battery.
No, it has plug.
It's direct. It doesn't have a battery. It doesn't charge. Okay. Anything with the battery and everything, we're gonna keep it in the cabin bag.
Okay, fine.
And we cannot be so irresponsible being aviators that we keep battery stuff.
Fine.
Cargo.
Guys, that's my husband. Just for you guys to know how it is not so easy to cope up with him. He just said something very realistic. He said, "Maybe would you like to share up my husband?"
मैं क्यों willing बनूं?
He said, ऐसे लोग काम चोरी करते हैं, उनको पता है काम हो ही जाता है. No, what I'm saying, this is so.
लोगों को पता होता कि कोई ना कोई तो कर ही देगा. Eventually हो ही जाना है. जो बेचारे बेवकूफ लोग होते हैं उनको टेंशन होती है. अरे क्या होगा काम
हो ही जाना, उसके लिए टेंशन नहीं लेने का भी. नहीं, बट आई मस्ट से ये वैक्यूम बैग्स आर वेरी हेल्पफुल गाइस. अगर आपको कहीं मूव करना है तो ये वैक्यूम बैग जरूर यूज करना.
अनफॉर्चुनेटली इसके लिए आपको मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी पंप करने के लिए.
Maybe benefits of vacuum bag.
If your partner is not ready to pump.
Benefits of using vacuum bag.
What is it?
Tell them, no? So we can give them some advice.
Benefit of using vacuum bag is if your partner doesn't help you out, you can really build your biceps,
Really?
It's pumped. And you need two hands to pump.
Yeah.
And then you need third hand.
Fine.
If
This
your
is not
partner
what I
doesn't help
really
you,
meant.
you can use your leg.
This is not what
And that's how you pump alone.
No, guys, you can save your clothes for a very long period of time, and these bags have a lifetime warranty. So yeah, he did not really mean to say all these things, but yeah, I did that.
Alright guys, you must have seen in the last video, right? Last footage, I was really cranky. So it happens when you're working. Now let's see, somebody is working right now. And we'll see. Hey, what's up? Show me your pretty face. Not so smiley now. What happened? Go away.
Yeah, please.
What happened? So what are you doing?
I'm packing my stuff.
What kind of
Packing?
packing?
Daily life.
Oh, I thought I packed everything, household items and everything. Oh, the important stuff to survive. Makeup.
My earrings, my nail paint, my cream, everything. You see my hair clip? No, you wouldn't want to see, right? Because it's not.
Hair what?
My hair accessories, baby.
Hair kit.
Heck, not exactly, but yeah.
What did you say? Hair?
Could you go and bring my hair accessories?
Hair accessory.
Yeah.
Somebody looks irritated now.
Could you go and get me my...
Imagine you had to get irritated just one day, huh? I've been suffering from this from last 1 week.
Please bring my Dyson box.
Dyson box?
Yeah, please.
You're gonna throw it, right?
Why? What should I do?
Dyson box is going in. It's not. It cannot fit here. You want to fit it here?
I have to take the other tools, no?
Yeah.
Attachable.
And Dyson box, I'm gonna keep it there
Okay.
in the big box.
That was. I need to.
Oh my God.
Yeah, right.
And
And what? I need to start. My
oh,
full of makeup and skincare.
uh-huh. How would you like it if I help you with this?
Baby.
Eh.
You're a good husband, no baby, please.
I don't have the other hand to do this.
You can clean the camera, so be mindful.
9 beep boxes I packed.
Wait, what is a beef you can make? Hey guys, so it's 8:30 in the evening. It's almost a night because it's winter. Oh my god, and I'm still not done packing. And I have to say that the majority of my time has been consumed by my skincare, makeup, hair accessories, earrings, all these things which a girl really needs, you know. And the main part was segregation of the item, because a lot of stuff hasn't been used and a lot of stuff which is open. So for me it was so difficult. I was like, इसको बंद करके ले जाना है, ये open नहीं हुआ है, तो you know, all these things, it really took a lot of time and I'm still not done yet. As you can see behind me, it's on my bed and थक गई, कब से लगी हुई हूँ, like since morning, I guess. Yeah. So my husband was he did with his part, he's done with his part. It's just my stuff and I can't tell him also because these are stuff which he doesn't really know about, all these things, what to take, what not to take, and yeah, going on. Yeah. Ta-da! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 2 boxes are outside, and all this labeling has been done by him. It was our idea, so like, let's put it there. And there are 2 boxes left. One is here and the other one is here. There you go. Hi guys, good morning. So finally we are done with the packing and the movers guys are here, and we have quite a lot of boxes which are big in size. So yeah, I think we both have done an amazing job of packing the stuff, and let me show you how exactly they look. Ta-da! So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and then there is another. I don't know if you can see me. So there's 4, right? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are total 11 boxes. Yeah. And we have also done the labeling because there's a lot of fragile items, a lot of heavy items which has to be kept in an upright position. So we have already done all sort of labeling. There you go. Even here. So because this is very important, because you don't know how these guys, they throw your boxes in the cargo, they just literally just throw it, and you know, it's like, oh, so you have to make sure and also pray that they really follow the label. So yeah, and so we'll be starting in a while once all the boxes are unloaded, and after that we'll start, because we have to take these boxes to the airport. Yeah, and then from there onwards I have to go for my personal stuff, so I have to do something. Yeah,
for you. Especially made it for you because I'm on camera.
No.
Like
No.
the person who always makes tea for you.
No, but
The
you
loving
actually do.
The good husband.
No, guys, he's actually an amazing husband. He okay, let me share this with you guys. So ever since we have gotten married, okay, ever since, it's never been a day that I have woken before him. Yes, for record, he always wakes up before me and he always brings me my hot water with lemon and whatever jazz I drink. So yes, so you can see why I keep on saying.
On my face, Ravi.
No, this is a lighting, baby. It's iPhone. That's why there's no filter. So yeah, where was I? So I've never woken up before him, and he always brings me my tea, my coffee, my water, whatever I do. So yeah, that's why I say I'm very lucky to have him. Right, baby? Baby is stressed. Don't be stressed. Don't be
No,
stressed.
I'm not stressed. I'm just really...
हो जाएगा. So it's finally time to reveal where exactly we are moving to.
People have been waiting for this
Yeah,
moment, right?
Moving to?
we are moving to Hong Kong.
Yay!
Yay! Yes, guys. So finally, it's been disclosed to you all that we are moving to Hong Kong, which we are really excited about. And because personally, I love Asia, and especially Hong Kong, I love it because in Asia there are two countries I really love, which is Hong Kong and Singapore, and also Thailand. But that's for vacation, not for settling down. But these two countries, they're amazing. What about you, baby?
I like Hong Kong better than Middle East.
That's true. Yeah.
Whatever comes in your life,
Mhm.
you should cherish it.
Mm-hmm.
Whatever happens for good and for Gyan.
Yeah. Please. Nah, Alhamdulillah. Yeah. By the grace of
It's
God.
a nice place, very cosmopolitan,
Yeah.
multicultural, very free. So I'm really excited about it. The work culture is really good.
So yes, guys, we both are looking forward to it and starting our new journey. It's like we both are embarking on a new journey of our lives, and which we are really excited about. And yeah,
Yeah.
yes.
Let's fight now, baby. Let's resume our packing.
Okay, fine, guys. Bye. See, baby, I want to see. I want to check. It's not about you. I want to check. Oh, come on, baby. I want to check if they're keeping my boxes the way we asked them to, in the upside position, or like this side up.
This side up, this side up.
Okay, fine. Let me check the other boxes.